In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add autoplay background music to your Wix website. So, whether you're creating a website for your business, a personal blog, or any other project, having background music can add a whole new layer of atmosphere and immersion to your site. It's a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through every step to ensure you can set this up effortlessly. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to your site in the Wix editor. This is the main hub where you make all your design changes and personalizations. So getting familiar with this space will definitely come in handy for any future site tweaks you may need to make. Once you're in the editor, direct your attention over to the left side panel. You'll see an option called Add Elements. Clicking on this will open up a range of different possibilities, but for today's purpose, we're focusing on video and audio. Here, you'll find the option for Wix Music. Simply click on it and then drag the Wix Music player to the desired location on your page. You can choose anywhere you think fits best. It might be at the top to serve as an introduction, or perhaps subtly integrated somewhere else. The choice is yours. Now that you've positioned your Wix Music player, you'll need to get some music in there. Head over to My Music in the Music library. Here, you have the option to upload your own tracks, albums, or even a playlist that you've specially curated for just this occasion. If you already have some music in your library, you can choose from your existing collection. Selecting the right music can really capture the mood you're aiming for, therefore take your time to decide what works best for your site and audience. With your music uploaded, it's time to tweak the settings to allow for autoplay. Select the music player and locate the settings option. Within these settings, look for a feature that lets you enable autoplay on page load. Switch this on, and your music will automatically start playing whenever someone visits your page. Keep in mind, though, different browsers may behave differently with autoplay. Some might initiate the music without a hitch, while others could block or mute it, or even require the user to tap or click to get it going. Finally, make sure to publish or preview your site to test everything out. This step is crucial. Ensuring that everything flows seamlessly will offer your visitors the best experience. Check to see how different browsers interact with the autoplay feature and make any necessary adjustments based on your observations. That's it for today's tutorial. You've now successfully added autoplay background music to your Wix website, creating an engaging experience that speaks to your audience before they even begin to read your content.